Ever wonder if you can improve your body and mind? In other words, could you change your DNA in order to get superhuman abilities? Well, let's start with a breakdown of DNA. What is DNA? DNA, also known as deoxyribonucleic acid, is essentially what makes you, you. It is found in the nucleus and made up of genes which contain instructions for creating proteins. The DNA is the carrier of genetic information. It determines your personality, such as liking things like music, math, baseball, or reading, and your appearance, such as having red hair and freckles. DNA is composed of nucleotides, which are made up of deoxyribose sugars, phosphates, and nitrogenous bases. There are two different types of nitrogenous bases. Firstly, called purides with a double ring made up of adenine and thymine. Secondly, called pyrimidines with a single ring made up of cytosine and guanine. Every living thing is composed of each of the four molecules: adenine, thymine, guanine, and cytosine. Adenine pairs with thymine, and guanine pairs with cytosine. Genetics is the inheritance of biological traits. Your traits are controlled by the genes from your mother and father. For example, freckles from parents can be genetically inherited or passed down to their biological children. Nature versus nurture. There is a big debate surrounding whether we inherit physical traits and our personality from the environment or our genetics. Many believe that both play a significant role in the development of our appearance and personality. However, identical twin studies show us that no matter how you are raised, personality tends to be similar to their twin. As a result of this, the debate still continues. The Human Genome Project helps us better understand the structure of DNA. Many scientists collaborated on this project to complete a gene map, which helped identify genetic disorders. This information is useful because it allows people to better understand their risks and find solutions. For example, the site 23andMe, which allows people to determine health risks, cultural background, etc., based on DNA, which would have never been possible without the development of the Human Genome Project. Now back to our original question. Are we able to change our DNA to give us superpowers? Although it might cause an ethical debate amongst the people of society, it is in fact possible to genetically modify humans. It may not necessarily be able to give us superhuman qualities, but we can choose the most desirable traits that would best equip one for everyday life. For example, one can design their child to become more intelligent, strong, or athletically inclined. By injecting a new nucleus into a cell, you can change part of DNA to make your child smarter, faster, and stronger. This was tested in mice and proved them to be more intelligent once injecting a new nucleus. The mice went through a maze, and they found that the ones who were injected got there faster than the ones who were not injected. Although it may be desirable to change your genes to achieve overall success, we disagree with using technology for this purpose because it is unethical to modify a human in order to achieve superhuman abilities. You are born you, and you are already super enough.